The zoo's a little over 100 acres, and we have about 6,000 animals, 600 different species of animals here. And we have the zoo, we have the aquarium, we also have the safari park. So there's a lot of challenges with keeping all the mechanical working smoothly. I can give John a call on weekends or most any day of the week, and he realizes that we have animals here that need the warmth or need the cooling during the summer, and so he's always available to come over and get us up and going. Probably over 30 units here in the zoo, and some of them are 25 years old, some of them are just a year or so old, so they vary in how much upkeep and maintenance they take. But whatever it is, whether it's an older unit that might be a hard to get part or one of the newer units that's still under warranty, John's done a really good job of taking care of it. We've really worked on multiple projects with Hart Mechanical for the last 12 years. I really recommend Hart Mechanical for anybody needing mechanical work here.